everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, guess what today is? EBATES time. If this is your first time clicking on this here channel, really quick, I do work for Sephora, and this is the free shit that I get once a month. Okay, so if you're here to see what I got this month, you all, then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to go ahead and click on that subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this here video. Before I get into the black bags, let's start off with what was left in our bins. I did have a few things in my clear bin, so I'm gonna start out with that first. Get the new lip balm from Glow Recipe, you all. Recipe did come out with some lip balms, and they cute. I'm glad I didn't buy any because, like I said, we ended up getting one in gratis. Got this here little bag from Makeup by Mario. I guess it's like a arm bag, I guess, to put on your arm when you're working out. And about Makeup by Mario, it is a bronzer. Not dark enough, but I could probably use this as a setting spray, a setting powder. Did get something from Crown Affair. It is a renewal mask. Also got a foundation from Dior. The Dior rep came in and did some training. So anytime you train with a brand, it's gratis. I don't remember training with Crown Affair, but they did leave us something. Picked out this here 4.5 W shade. So, oh my poor baby. I'm gonna start off with the small bag first. So I think this here are hair products. So I got the Way Super Dry shampoo. This here, oh, this is a lippy mask. Okay, look at the packaging. So it's a lip mask. So I got this Salt and Stone deodorant. Y'all, I don't know if y'all heard, but y'all need to try that Cashmere by Donna Karan deodorant. I am thinking about going to go grab it because I've been hearing everybody saying how much they love that deodorant. Lift and Firm moisturizer by Sephora collection. Sephora is a lightweight moisturizer. Where are you going? So we got that. So that was everything in the small bag. Now let's go ahead and open this big old bag, y'all. Bag, I got the Tamika Freeze Me Not hydrating hair treatment. Got the new Patrick Ta what is this? The Glow bronzer. What this looks like. Oh, it smells good, y'all. We have the Fable & Mane dry shampoo. Friday skin tint. I think I had this already, but I got another one. What shade did I get? I got shade 6 for my daughter. This one I'm excited about, you all. Is this it? The new, we got the tinted moist, it's the tinted mineral sunscreen moisturizer. So hopefully this shade is not too light, because y'all, I've been picking a lot of dark shades, so I started to pick light shades. Dolce & Gabbana fragrance. Let's see what this smells like. Cute packaging. Okay, let's see what this smells like. I hope it smells good. Ooh, okay. Capri in Love. Oh, okay. This is giving summer vibes. Ooh. Bottle is cute, y'all. Look how cute the bottle is. Where did they put the T at on here? Why y'all had to put it in the front? So they put it on in the front. This one I'm excited about, the One Size new setting spray, you all. This here is the powder melt glass setting spray. I can't wait to try that. The Sunday Riley Peacekeeper acne treatment. We got the new Sunday Riley moisturizer. What is it called? It was a makeup remover. And we got the iconic London Prep Set and Blur setting spray. We got the Sol de Janeiro new body lotion. Tilbury came out with the new glow sticks. Okay. So here's the shade that I picked. Cute packaging. What is this? Living Proof Leave-In Conditioner Spray. I'll probably just use this for my wigs. I got the Makeup Forever Chubby Stick. I don't know why I picked this color. Glow Recipe Sunscreen. I'm going to see if my daughter wants this. But if not, I'll keep it. It's by Glow Recipe. The Shado Sunscreen Killian fragrance. This is Sunkissed Goddess. It smells okay. It's not my favorite. I wouldn't buy it. A Westman Atelier lipstick. Well, I feel like we already have it. But I got that. But not least, I got this new You to the People sunscreen. It's Hydrate Pollution Defense. And it's a SPF 60, y'all. This, when I tried it on at work, it felt really nice. So I'm excited to try that out. That's everything I got in my gratis for the month of June. Yo, when I tell you these months and days are flying. Came home, so if I look a little rusty, it's okay because I've been at work. I had a 10 to 7 shift today. It was Pride Day today. We were able to wear regular clothes on the Kills Pride shirt, and then I did my eye makeup and everything. With that being said, if y'all enjoyed this here video, please give this video a big thumbs up, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button, notification bell, so you could be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Mwah.